Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm a junior majoring in computer science and math, and for my final project, I decided to make the game Centipede. So in this game, the centipede moves across the screen from left to right and right to left, and then it goes down all the way to the bottom of the screen, and then it will come back up. And the objective of the game is just to shoot all the centipedes. So my input and outputs are the VGA monitor, obviously. I also have keyboard, sound, and LEDs. The LEDs display your score. So as you can see, the 11 is lit up. When you kill some centipedes, that will go down. It's at 11 because there are 12 centipedes. Then I also have some keyboard. So it's I, J, K, and L is movement, and then S is to shoot. You can only go on the bottom 4 rows of the screen. And then when you shoot, it makes a noise. And it also makes a noise when you hit the centipede. Now, one issue with the game is that when you press a button, most of the time it'll move you twice or it'll shoot twice. You have to press it pretty lightly to not do that. And that's something that I would like to improve about it. And also you can shoot a bunch of bullets in a row, which is a bit of an issue that I would like to fix. I think I know how to fix that. I'm not so sure about the movement. Potentially, if I tracked when you release the key, that would help. So I'll show what can happen when the game ends. Also, as you can see, the LED has moved down. It's at 5 right now, but I'll let the centipede get to the bottom to show that that works. And I'll also let it hit me after that. Nothing really happens when it hits you, but the game does end. So the biggest challenges I had when making this game, a lot of it had to do with Vivado. I had a lot of trouble with that. So one thing was that my instruction memory ended up being too long, and I couldn't figure out why nothing was working, and it turned out I just had to change the parameter in Vivado. Another problem was just getting everything to integrate. I messed up my project structure in Vivado and like the Git structure, and that made things a little bit annoying. And then as for debugging, just stepping through the program just takes a while. My first issue was that I thought nothing was happening when I first ran it on the emulator, but it turns out it was deleting and replacing the very first character because the array for like the heads of centipedes, it was actually indexing like one too far. And so it was just always reading zeros, and it was always replacing in the same spot, so the centipede never moved. In the future, I would like to add some obstacles. I ran out of time, and I think that the logic for that would be a lot to add, but that would be cool if I could do that. And yeah, I'll just show you what happens also when you win the game. I'll just kind of cheat it, but just for demonstration purposes. Alright, so now you can't move or anything, but then the LEDs are down here, and it'll light up and it'll play that little jingle, and then basically that's it. So yeah, that's my project. It was pretty difficult, but I'm fairly happy with how it turned out. Hopefully I can make some improvements. So yeah, thank you.